Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday night. We're here in our home and Mr. Leon is not feeling good for how many days because we've been in hypermarket or groceries before and he is not feeling good after that because he little bit wet after the rain. And right now I just take some video for you guys so that you know what happened to Mr. Leon, and I'm preparing some food for him, some adobo. It's chicken adobo. This is chicken adobo, guys. I'm just preparing right now and a little bit cooked right now. And also Mr. Leon cannot make some comment to your and this channel, I mean, and he cannot make some video right now because he not feel good and he cannot go outside. And don't worry guys, we will take some video in Friday to Sunday. Even Mr. Leon cannot do it, maybe me or Mr. Georgie will gonna take some video in walking street so that you have some view from walking street. And thank you for always complimenting our channel and always supporting our channel, and also thank you for greeting us even on and off the camera. And also thank you for always say hi to us in walking street or even another place. And thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.